Hiding cells and worksheets. It's always essential to safeguard our work while working in Microsoft Excel. To do this, we will have some features like protection and validation that help us do this. The simplest way is that we can protect our data just by hiding it on the screen. For example, if I don't want to see March sales, I will go to the column D and highlight it and do right-click and select Hide option. To bring it back again on the screen, I am going to highlight column C and E and right-click and choose Unhide. Now you can see the column D on the screen. There is another way also to unhide column. For this, once again I am going to hide it and I am going next to C, and when I do, I get first the single arrow that will allow me to stretch the cell, but then if I move slightly over to the right, I get a double arrow. When I click on that double arrow, that will actually open up the hidden cell from the background. Notice here I can also hide and unhide a row too. It is exactly the same way. This time I go to row 4, right-click and hide. Again, I'll highlight 3 and 5, right-click, unhide. Once again, right-click on 4 and hide. This time going to the line under the 3, and notice it's just slightly darker. I'm going to go to the line and pull it down. Be careful when you're pulling down the arrow, otherwise you're going to be resizing. This feature applies to worksheets also. If I go down to the bottom of the screen, I can right-click on sheet 2 and you'll see that there's hide here also. Now again, very easy to bring it noticeable again because all I need to do is right-click and unhide that particular sheet. This feature helps users to focus on the screen. But if you want to secure it from other users, you can go for protection. When you're working with hiding, there are also other methods that we can print data without taking all the particulars in the background. Let's talk about how we print only cells that are visible on the screen and not the ones that are hidden in the background.